In today's video, I'll show you how to install Gameconfig to fix GDFI enhanced crashes. Check my video description for this Gameconfig download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open the folder and open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GDFI enhanced. Once installed done, open mods, update.rpf, common data. Scroll down, you can able to see DLC list under game config. Drag and drop this game config to desktop to take backup. Now select this edit mode and select the yes option. Drag and drop the game config inside. So dropped, close tab here and launch the game. After installing game config, for the people who doesn't fixed, right click on the game and select open file location. Scroll up, right click on the mods folder and select delete option and select yes option. After deleting the mods, you can able to launch the game. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.